Good morning, friends. This is Sherri from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I'm here to share some happy mail. I got 2 packages yesterday, so I just did a video on Laura's, and now I'm going to do one. This one is from my friend Sherri Czmyr. She is Sherri of Studio 28E on Facebook and on YouTube. And I will share her information below, but I'm also on her design team, for her Etsy. She does beautiful, super beautiful digital kits. So I was surprised to get a package. I didn't know it was coming. And it was on my dining room table, like I said in my last video. My husband gets the mail and he puts my stuff, if I get anything, on the dining room table. And I came home and I had a package there, and look at what was in here. I already took it out of the envelope. I don't like to take any chances of showing addresses or whatever, private information. So beautifully wrapped packages that just a total surprise. A nice Christmas present here. This is a card with my name on it. Let's see. I like to read the cards and the notes off camera. I won't read it here, but I will show you the card. Super cute, right? And yes, she wrote me a little note in there. And I love small cards too. I'm always looking for them because I don't see that many little cards. You know what I mean? They're bigger. And I love to find a small card that I can put into a pocket in a journal. So just so cute. And you can write all over the inside of a card, right? So this is so cool. And when I put this in, I'll probably put this in my December daily, and I can write here about Sherri, So very cool. Okay, let's see. These I have to open, and this I have to look at. So let's look at this. Looks like a beautifully dyed page here, right? These could go right into a journal. Awesome. Oh my goodness, look at this color. Wow, and look at this pattern. Isn't that pretty? That is beautiful. I don't have anything like that. I hope it's coming through. I know I have some shadows here, but I'm in my craft room and just having a ball in here because I cleaned up this week. And I came in this morning, I was just like, wow, this looks beautiful. I want to get in here and do something. So I'm doing my videos here. But look at this. This is green dyed. Look at the pattern on here. And let's see, that's on. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Pretty. The green one, a pink one. Look at the edges on here. They're darker pink. That's how it came out or whatever from the dyeing process. Oh, look at the back of this one. Wait a minute. Hold on. Here's the one side and here's the other side. Look at the pattern on there. Oh, that is beautiful. Wow. Love it. These are great colors too. Look at this. Look at these colors. Love that. Love all of these pieces. Thank you, Sherri. Wow. Thank you so much for this whole surprise package. These are beautiful. Okay, so let's see what we have here. This is a little envelope. Isn't that neat? And she's got a little sticker here. To Sherri from Sherri. She spells her different. We spell our names different. One of those names that have so many different spellings, right? Oh, what did you put? What did you send me, Sherri? Oh my goodness. I see yumminess in here. And it's not food. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Make sure I got everything out of there. Yes, I did. Nice bag, right? Love that. I can reuse that. Very cool. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful cover. I love it. It's cardstock, and it has like a coffee dyed. I love that. Coffee dyed doily with this pretty candy cane here. Let me just show you. And look at the size. It's like, here's my hand, Isn't it adorable? Like, that is the cutest size ever, right? It's got little candy canes and snowflakes on here. And the color is so cute. Oh my goodness. And then she's got little buttons hanging out. And then the baker's twine tie closure. Little reinforcement type on the little hole. And it's a little hole too. Look how little the hole is. Just right for this baker's twine right here, right? So cute. Okay, let's untie. Here, look at the goodness right here on the side. Isn't that beautiful? Just like that. Look at all the different size pages in there. So pretty. Love it. Wow, Sherri, you did not have to do this, but I love it. Love it, love it, love it. This is so pretty. I love it. I could just sit here and look at it all day just like this. Anyway, let me show you. Let's look at it because I have not looked at it yet. Okay, inside the front cover, we've got a beautiful tag. Love the red and green. And look at this little loop here. Isn't that pretty? And she's got it on here with a tiny attacher and coffee dye paper in the back. Love it. In this nice little pocket here. Red with this pretty paper on the bottom, and it has 2 reindeers right there. A little booklet which has been hand sewn together here. Love the color of this string. That is pretty. I like that. I don't have any like that. It's just string, but it's so pretty because of the neutral color of it. Pretty paper used for the cover on this. We've got prettiness right here with a, this has a pretty little edge on it right here. This paper or trim here. Let's see the back. Has a little pocket there. And she's put several different little papers in here, different variety of sizes and papers. So fun. Here's a little flip out. Just all, you know, I love making these with all the different cutoffs. And this has a variety of cutoffs. Sometimes, oh, look at this middle piece. It's so pretty. This is like perfect for a December daily with the numbers, this paper. So pretty. But yeah, I love making these with cutoffs of either a variety or all the same. It doesn't really matter. I just love these little scrappy notebooks, you know. So cool. Look at this little page. There you go. Don't waste it. Just use it wherever. Awesome. Thank you so much, Sherri. Thank you so much. Did not expect this little surprise in the mail, or this big surprise, really. Okay, let's flip through here and see what we have. Oh, this is a cute way to make a tag. Look at how she, I don't know if this is cut out from something, but it looks like a little tag, either cut out or it was already like this. And she added a little loop here on the side just with a tiny attacher. So adorable, right? I'm sorry if I'm not getting it exactly in the camera. I have to kind of, I hold it up and then I have to look. So this is a bit like a little belly band here. So cute. And then we've got different papers, pretty papers, some washi on the edge of this one. Oh, this is a flip out. And she's got a little tab here to hold on to flip your paper out. Belly band here with a pretty Santa Claus, maybe from a card. Love recycling Christmas cards. That's a perfect way to do it. Cut out the important parts and use them however you want. Journaling cards or whatever, right? Pretty edging here. And pretty, I just love these papers. Here's some stamping. Christmas tree rubber stamping, green. Here's some like craft paper or masking paper possibly. Pretty little Christmas papers. Pretty, oh, this one's nice. I love the colors in here. I like this blue with this red, really pretty. And you know, here's some more red over here. This one has, is this blue or black? Almost, it's almost like a charcoal or a dark blue. But yeah, it's so pretty. And oh, look at the plaids. So neat. There's some washi down here. Just a nice little addition to a page, to a blank craft paper page. Isn't that neat? And then we'll just flip through. Oh, look at this green. And it has a pocket on the back. And some little tags. Some washi on that one. You know, just, I love that. Just love that. Little baker's twine on there. I love making stuff like that too. Green little wreaths on here that's rubber stamped on. This one has pretty houses on it. I love the different colors of this scrapbook paper. Here's another one with like a mint green background. That is so pretty and, you know, different for Christmas. I love that. Pocket here. with some pretty tag. Probably maybe from a Christmas card. It's a little bit cardstocky. And then here's a piece here. Oh, this is an envelope. Cool. Love it. Little envelope with a little cutoff in here of pretty coffee dyed paper. That with that pattern on it, like the lacy pattern on a coffee dyed paper. So cute, right? That has so many uses in a pretty little envelope right there. So cute. So cute. That's that number, that scrap paper with the numbers on it. Love that. Here's the middle. Isn't that that's a perfect middle. Merry and bright. And here's the little strings. I love that string. That is so pretty. Okay, another pocket here. Oh, and another tag. These are so nice. I love that. And look at, did you see that little loop up here? So pretty and shiny and bright. And another envelope and another piece of the little pattern coffee dyed paper there with a lacy pattern on it. Love that. This was a lot of work, Sherry. Goodness gracious. Thank you so much. So pretty. So many great ideas in here too. Little piece here used as a tuck spot. See that? Just a little punch out. You can use, put it on your corner, but don't glue it all the way down. And use it for a tuck spot. And a pretty little, here's a book page in the background. And the coffee dyed paper on the back. Got that pretty little shiny loop there with the paper decorating and a Christmas tree. Love it. Love it. So neat to see other people's work in person, you know what I mean? Merry and joy. Perfect junk journal for sure. Two beautiful tags here. Wow, I like the shape of those. Those are neat. And they have pretty paper on the back too. Wow. Love it. And they're nice and sturdy. And those are so pretty. I love the colors there. And then pretty pages. Beautiful. Ooh, what is this? This is a belly band. This is a ribbon. It looks like it's glued on maybe, but yeah, I'm just trying to see how it's made. See? So pretty. Here's some washi right here. That's really pretty. It looks like it almost came that way, right? Because it blends in with the paper, but you have the pretty red on there. Such a nice contrast with the craft color. Here's a nice corner pocket here with another piece, maybe from a Christmas card, not sure, but really pretty, like journaling card there. Well, I'm going to be set for Christmas next year, right? All kinds of little Christmas journals. Okay. Some washi. A fold out with a little tab. I love these little, like, it's like a washi. I think it's washi, and it's a little tab that you can just open up your little fold out with. I love that idea. All right. So pretty. Here's a little something here. Extra little piece. Little pieces are awesome. Okay, and a little tag. Love that. Vintage look there, and this is gorgeous. Little. It looks like from a vintage Christmas card, but not sure what it's from. But still awesome, no matter what it's from, right? Just a very pretty vintage or retro looking picture there. Awesome. Thank you so much, Sherry. Wow. What a surprise. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. And it just ties together the little closure. I love this baker's twine. It's different from, I have two kinds of baker's twine, and this is different from the either kind I have. So neat to see that. I love baker's twine no matter what. So neat to see different kinds of baker's twine there. So let's see. I've got all the Sherry stuff right here. And I have another package. Wow. This is, there was a lot in that package. And another pretty envelope too. I love these envelopes. I don't know, where did you get these? Let me see. I can't tell. It says 2015. The Paper Studio. So, yeah. The Paper Studio is what it says on the bottom of this envelope. So, that's where it's from, I guess. Oh, wow. Look what she sent me. Oh, my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll tell you why I'm so excited. I'm making the denim and lace journal. I mean, her kit, using her denim and lace kit for my next journal. I didn't have any denim. I really don't have any denim. I mean, I have my own jeans, but I don't have any that I can cut up, you know what I mean? And I almost bought some a couple of times, but I was like, let me see what I have at home. And I did a video previous to this where I showed what I was using, but I didn't actually have any actual denim. And I was thinking, of course, everybody that probably makes a denim and lace journal thinks of pockets, like, should I go get some jeans to tear off the pockets or use the fabric, you know, from a pair of denim pants or jeans or whatever. Anyway, she sent me pockets. So awesome. Look at these pockets. So perfect. This is a nice shade of denim here for one thing, and then it has this pretty decoration, and it even has the little Levi's tag. That is so cool. And then this pocket is smaller, so that is nice, and it has this pretty decoration on it. Wow, so cool. And then she sent me some other pieces of denim. Look at this. This is cut out like a doily. I don't know if you did this, Sherri, or what, but that is so cool. See, I don't have anything that could do something like that. First of all, this denim is cool because it has polka dots on it. And then it's got this pretty cut out part on it that makes it look like a doily. That is awesome. That's definitely going in my denim and lace journal, of course. And then a little denim bow. Isn't that neat? A denim and lace bow. What could be more perfect than that, right? A denim butterfly layered with pieces of butterfly that probably were cut out with something that cuts out butterflies and fabric. I don't know if a Sizzix or whatever, the little die cut machines cut on fabric. Maybe they do. They probably do, right? Anyway, so cool. It's got a little piece in the middle here, and then a layered butterfly. So neat. And then this little denim floral like piece, or I don't know if you want to call this a yo-yo with a pearl in the middle. Here's the back of it. So cute, right? Oh my goodness, so perfect for my journal. Oh wow, look at these. These are old. So these look like, I'm gonna guess about these. These look like, and this is a really good idea too, they look like they're from postcards, because I only say that because I've been looking at tons of postcards lately, because I always keep saying I bought a box of postcards and I'm sorting through them, and I am, and they feel and look like some of the pieces I've seen. I don't have anything exactly like this, of course, but I just am saying they look like some of the old postcards that I'm going through. And then to punch this pretty edge around, I mean, that one has that pretty edge. These are very old too. These look like they're really old ones, like the 100-year-old ones that I've seen in my box. So pretty. And this one too looks like one of the 100-year-old ones. So pretty. Wow, thank you. And something like that would look beautiful in with, look how nice it looks with this denim. I love the contrast of something rustic with something really pretty. So that's why this denim and lace kit that Sherri has designed is so cool. It's just like you can take it, to a, take it into the pretty with the rustic so easily. So pretty, right? Anyway, thank you so much. This is so perfect. So awesome. Thank you so much. And I will let you go. And I hope y'all have I don't know when this will post, before or after Christmas, but thank you so much, Sherri, and Merry Christmas to you and your family and everybody out there. Thank you for watching, and hope you're having a great week, and happy crafting.